Welcome to White Cycle Hire's instructional video on how to use an electric bike. This is the EMU Rain-Free Mark II. So the first thing first is how to turn the electric bike on. There are 2 points in which you need to do this. First step, on the battery, tap this button here for a couple seconds. That will turn the electric bike on. A blue light indicates it's fully charged and a red light indicates that you are low level battery. The other point you need to turn the electric bike on is on the controller. The middle button here, hold that down for a few seconds and that will turn the battery on. You've got 5 levels of assistance. At the moment you're in assistance level 1. To take it up, use the top button, the plus button, and that will take it up to level assistance 5. 5 being the most level of assistance, so something which you may want to use on the hills or on your way home. Take it back down with the minus arrow, which is down here. That's as simple as it is with the battery. The gears can be changed here. Low gear, press it away from you. To take it up, use the plus button here. Your bells here.
Ding dong.
Okay, so the next step is perhaps you want to know how to adjust the saddle. So to do this, pull the clamp to lower or raise the saddle to your height. Then push the clamp back in and that will keep it secure. The other point which you might need to know is how to charge the battery. So there's a simple bit here where you just take it out and that's your charging port. Your bike will come with a charger. The charger is here. You just put that into the hole and then plug it into the wall. So that's as simple as it is. If you want to take the battery out of the bike to charge up indoors, you will get a key. To take the battery out, put the key in the hole and turn it down, and then this will release the battery. And that will take the battery out of the bike so you can take it inside if you want to. To put it back in, just simply click it in. And that is the battery back in the bike. Close up the charging port and you're ready to go. We say ride the bike like a normal bike and then use the levels of assistance to help you. Keep relaxed and you'll have a great time. That's all you need to know. We hope you enjoy your electric bike experience.